You asked for it, so here it is. My cough serum is officially in my store. Now, some of you pointed out yesterday in my video that the pump I was using is plastic, and I don't know how that slipped my mind. But you are 100% correct. When using DMSO and even castor oil, you need to use glass and glass only. And unfortunately, I can't find any glass pumps. So when you purchase these from my store, they will be in glass dropper bottles. And thank you to those who corrected me. I know, sometimes I have brain farts too. But these are now available at shaysnaturals.com.